Greetings, the iCarbon Community College. My name is Michael. Welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about boundaries and force fields. We often need to set boundaries with others so we can focus on what we need to accomplish. People will push these boundaries, intentionally or unintentionally. One of the ways we can protect ourselves is by creating force fields. Ways to create force fields include things like setting your phone on silent during your study time, creating a new email account that gives you away from those situations, right? Avoiding situations that put you at risk. Don't hang out with those groups of people. Do not engage with those folks, right? Or if you're engaging with the folks and they're violating your boundaries, remove yourself from those situations. Just walk away. Right? Remember, creating force fields can help you protect your boundaries, and protecting your boundaries can help you be the best you possible. All right, have a good one.